Quick disclaimer, this is not a paid sponsorship of any sort. Neither was the previous video about the power bank. Wikio sent me this product as a prize for winning a product review event. I asked for a charging hub because I specifically wanted one for my desk setup. Anyways, disclaimer aside, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, DJI here, and today I'm going to talk about CRC001, a charging hub from Wikio. So let's start with the unboxing. This is the packaging. Inside the box, we have the charging hub itself, an AC adapter for the charging hub, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a plastic piece that can be used to prop up the hub. Now I'm going to use this, but I think it should have a rubber feet so it doesn't slide around. For now, I'll be using double side tape. This charging hub supports both power delivery and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Quick charge devices include Samsung devices and many power banks, and my camera gimbal, DJI Ronin S. I'll be doing a review of that in the future, so make sure to check it out. Power delivery devices include iPhone 8 and up, iPad Pro, MacBook lineup, and a bunch of other devices. It says 87 watts in the box, but apparently it's able to charge my MacBook Pro at 100 watts. So yeah. Products like these can really be useful for decluttering your desk. I used to have a bunch of charging adapters and use an extension cord. But now I'll be able to charge all of my devices with one cable going into the outlet. I will be stationing this charging hub in this location to charge all of my various gadgets. I plugged in all three USB-C ports with USB-C, Lightning, and Micro B. And for the USB-C port, I'll be going back and forth with a USB-C and Lightning port. With this, I can charge any type of device with both power delivery and Quick Charge 3.0. Now, this is the moment you've been waiting for. I will be stress testing this charging hub and see how it's gonna go. I'm writing this script before I test it, so the things I say next will be written after I stress test it. Okay, let's do it. Alright, this is a live test. I actually haven't tried it yet, so we're gonna find out together. On our left, we have the Wikio power bank that's at 0%, and on top of that, we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max that I'm trying to lower the battery. And on the right, we have a MacBook Pro currently at 67% battery. So I'm gonna plug all of them in now. Let's see if this one's charging. Okay, it's charging. Okay, it's on. Power adapter at 100 watt. DC in, it's climbing, 60 watts. 64. 68. Okay, it's hovering at about 63 to 65 watts. And, oh wow, it's actually charging. Holy crap. Alright, there's a backstory to this, so let me explain. I actually already bought a different charging hub with 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A port a month or two ago. But when I was using that, one USB-C port would always turn off once I plugged the second one in. So that's why it was surprising to see that all 3 of my devices, plus the camera battery that I didn't talk about on accident, was charging without any problems. Now this is great news for me because I can finally charge all of my devices without worrying about the hub disabling a port. And yes, I did a long duration charge and it still didn't have any issues. I might do a long-term review in the future, so make sure to check that out. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to charge all of your devices at once, with all those partially working products out there, I can actually recommend this device as it functions as it's intended to. I can actually trust this device to charge all of my products. This should be a mandatory thing, but apparently not. The link to where you can buy the charging hub is in the description below. I will be posting more in the future, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.